Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about one of my absolute favorite meal kit services out there. Specifically, we're going to be talking about HelloFresh and all the mouth-watering meals that they offer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if at any point you'd like to check out and try HelloFresh for yourself, I'll be leaving all the useful links in the description down below. Now, for starters, HelloFresh offers a wide variety of meals across different categories, including meat, fish, vegetarian, and low-calorie options. The meal selection also includes various cuisines from all around the world, such as Asian, Mexican, Italian, and Middle Eastern, to name a few. HelloFresh's recipe catalog includes more than 2,500 dishes, which are constantly updated and rotated on a weekly basis, making sure that customers have a diverse range of options to choose from. The recipes are designed to cater to different dietary needs and restrictions, and the company provides nutritional information and allergen warnings for each meal, making it easier for customers to stick to their specific dietary requirements. And on top of that, HelloFresh offers flexibility in terms of meal plans, allowing customers to choose from 6 different plans based on their household size, number of meals per week, and dietary preferences. This enables customers to customize their meal plan and have it match their own lifestyle. It's also worth mentioning that HelloFresh sources its ingredients from a variety of suppliers and strives to use fresh, high quality, and sustainably sourced ingredients as much as possible. They work with trusted suppliers and farmers to offer their customers fresh fruits and vegetables, high quality meats, and responsibly sourced seafood. So overall, HelloFresh does offer a wide range of delicious and healthy meals that cater to different dietary needs, preferences, and restrictions. With its vast recipe database and flexible meal plans, customers can enjoy a variety of tasty and easy to make meals delivered right to their doorstep. And of course, if you'd like to give HelloFresh a try, feel free to use the discount link I've added in the description down below. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it or found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content just like this. And if you've tried HelloFresh before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.